Good afternoon, everyone. Today is 14th of May 2022. I was delivering a parcel and my wife rang our neighbor. They had because she got bird phobia, and that was in the hallway in Haswell Close. So she just rang me. She said she's really scared. She can't come out. Then she said, if you can come back and rescue this bird, because obviously she could not make, I don't know, is it he or she, but the bird could not make the way. So I just turned up now from my work, and luckily the bird is alive. So I just rescued that bird. Obviously the bird was tired. Obviously he tried to go out because he was smacking his head with the window lots of time. And then I catch him, and then I gave him some water now. So the bird is fit and fine. Say bye bye to bird. Say bye bye to bird. Yeah. So yeah, now it's alright. Aisha, bye. So now I'm going to release him outside now. Obviously, they are enjoy the freedom rather than they just go in and stuck the. So here we go. Now I'm going to release him. There we go. It's gone. Straight away it went to the tree. Hopefully he will do good and stay safe. If you like the video, share it, subscribe it. Thank you.